Today we're going to be unboxing the BPL309 in rust. Inside you'll receive a stem riser. This fixture comes with a 18-2 direct burial cord. Also comes with a standard 20-watt halogen bulb. This fixture is also compatible with LED. Also you'll receive a small hat. So now taking your bulb, placing it into the socket, pressing firmly. Now you're ready to screw the riser onto the head. So now taking the 18-2 direct burial cord, placing it through the ground spike and onto the fixture.